an allergic cough really is a description of a cough that could potentially come from an allergic trigger, like if you have environmental allergies that can lead to a postnasal drip that can tickle your airway and give you a cough, or if you have allergic asthma, which allergic asthma is the most common type of asthma. However, a cough can also come from other things, like if you're sick with a cold or laryngitis or COPD, it can even sometimes be a presenting symptom of reflux. So really it's important to come see a local allergist so that we can help tease this out for you.